Hello, I'm Holly Marshall, a curriculum developer for the Defense Health Agency and a homeschooling mother based in Seguin, Texas. I chose this research project because I am passionate about providing my daughter and other homeschooled children with enriching hands-on learning experiences. Integrating garden-based learning into homeschooling curricula can significantly enhance children's cognitive development, environmental awareness, and social skills. Please enjoy my presentation titled Home Gardening as a Tool for Environmental Education. In this presentation, I will discuss the background and context of this home gardening issue, summarize the key findings from my literature review, outline my proposed solution, and explain the next steps for implementation. For my research problem, I am addressing the underutilization of garden-based learning in homeschooling curricula in Seguin, Texas. Despite the region's sandy loam soil and the growing interest in sustainable living practices, gardening is not widely integrated into homeschooling educational frameworks. This gap limits children's experiential learning opportunities and early engagement with sustainable practices. Integrating gardening into homeschooling curricula can provide comprehensive, hands-on educational experiences that foster environmental stewardship from a young age. My research explores the benefits of integrating garden-based learning in homeschooling curricula and identifies the most effective ways to implement this approach. My 3 questions that guided my research are on this slide. Please take a moment to look at them. These questions aim to address the gaps and challenges in integrating garden-based learning into homeschooling and to propose practical solutions based on existing research. Through my research, I discovered the many benefits of introducing garden-based learning early on. 2 sources, Blair and Williams and Dixon, explore how incorporating school gardening programs can improve overall academic performance, especially in science and mathematics. Additionally, both studies promote the cognitive benefits for children, including increased critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Further findings by Murakami, Sir Russell, and Manfra detail how early garden-based education can generate meaningful environmental interactions and promote experiential learning, which deepens a child's understanding of ecology. Moreover, a study by Sommerfield, McFarlane, Wallachek, and Zysek explores how gardening improves visual motor integration, which is crucial for a child's development. These findings all point to the cognitive, social, and environmental benefits of garden-based learning, making it an invaluable addition to homeschooling curricula. My proposed solution focuses on integrating garden-based learning into homeschooling curriculum to enhance the cognitive development, environmental awareness, and social skills of young children. The solution involves several key components. First, I will develop age-appropriate gardening activities and lesson plans that combine theoretical knowledge with practical hands-on experience, as Williams and Dixon and Blair emphasized. Second, collaboration with local experts and organizations will be crucial. I will partner with local gardening clubs and agricultural extensions to utilize their resources and expertise, ensuring the program's success. Third, I will provide training and resources for parents. Workshops will be facilitated to educate parents on the benefits and methods of garden-based learning, supported by an online resource hub containing guides, videos, and support materials. Fourth, creating a supportive community network is essential. I will establish a community of practice for homeschooling parents, including regular meetups and knowledge-sharing sessions, to foster a collaborative learning environment. Finally, I will evaluate and adapt the curriculum continuously. Collecting feedback from parents and children will help assess the program's effectiveness, allowing me to refine activities and materials based on the feedback and new research. Implementing this solution will enrich the educational experiences of homeschooled children in my area, fostering a lifelong appreciation for nature and sustainable living. My implementation plan consists of 4 key phases to ensure a successful integration of garden-based learning into homeschooling curriculum. Phase 1 involves conducting workshops for homeschooling parents to educate them on the benefits and methods of garden-based learning. I will develop and distribute comprehensive educational materials and partner with local gardening experts for specialized training sessions. This preparation is crucial to equip parents with the necessary knowledge and skills. In Phase 2, I will create detailed lesson plans and activity guides. A pilot program will be implemented with a small group of homeschoolers to test the curriculum. Feedback will be collected from participants to refine and improve the curriculum before a broader rollout. Following the pilot testing, Phase 3 will launch the garden-based learning curriculum for all interested homeschooling families. I will provide ongoing support and resources through an online hub and organize regular community meetups for parents and children to foster a supportive learning environment. Phase 4 is the final phase involving monitoring and evaluating the program's effectiveness. Feedback from the parents and children will be collected periodically to assess the program's impact. Based on this feedback and new research, I will continuously update and improve the curriculum to ensure it remains effective and relevant. This comprehensive implementation plan will ensure the garden-based learning is effectively integrated into homeschooling curricula, providing children with valuable education and developmental benefits. To ensure the successful implementation of a garden-based learning curriculum, the following steps will be taken. First, I will incorporate the feedback from the pilot testing phase to refine and finalize the curriculum. Ensuring the curriculum aligns with Texas homeschooling standards and best practices is essential. Second, the establishment of formal agreements with local gardening organizations will be crucial. These partnerships will provide vital expertise and resources. Additionally, obtaining materials and supplies such as seeds and tools will be necessary for the program's success. Third, I will schedule and promote initial workshops to educate parents on curriculum and gardening techniques. Continuous training and support will ensure that parents feel confident and competent in delivering garden-based learning activities. Fourth, I will develop and launch a dedicated website to provide a central location for resources, guides, and instructional videos. This online hub will be a valuable tool for parents to access information and support anytime. Finally, a system for regular feedback collection from parents and children will be established to help monitor the program's effectiveness. In conclusion, integrating garden-based learning into homeschooling curricula presents a powerful opportunity to enhance a child's cognitive development, environmental awareness, and social skills. Research consistently shows that such inclusion can significantly enhance young children's environmental awareness and cognitive development. Studies by Blair, Williamson-Dixon, and Murakami, Sir Russell, and Manfra underscore the academic, cognitive, and social benefits of garden-based education. The proposed solution identifies developing a comprehensive curriculum, securing partnerships with local gardening organizations, and providing continuous training and support for parents. The implementation plan is designed to ensure a smooth rollout and effective integration of gardening activities into homeschooling. The expected outcomes of this initiative include enhanced cognitive skills and environmental awareness among children, stronger community ties, and increased parental involvement in education. This approach enriches the educational experience and fosters sustainable living practices from a young age. I encourage all stakeholders to support and participate in this initiative. Your collaboration and feedback will be crucial in refining and improving the program, ensuring its success and sustainability. Together, we can create a nurturing and educational environment that benefits our children and community. Thank you for learning about my research and proposed solution for integrating garden-based learning into homeschooling curricula. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights and highlighted the significant benefits of this approach. Please see the final slide for a comprehensive list of references used in this presentation. Your feedback and support are greatly appreciated as I progress with this initiative.